0747 want me to tell you hello for him. Hey, high voltage. 0747 want me to tell you hello for him there, right?
Yeah, 10 Roger, right on. Well, 747 didn't key that time. 747 didn't key up that time. He was waving a hand or two with me, but he did not key that time. Al Capone, he did not key that time. But tell 148 I said hello. I'm going to see him next Saturday. We're going to hang out, no doubt about it. Hello to you, Al Capone. Hello, 747. High voltage out of New Jersey with the video gate on, getting on down.
Me to tell 148, you said you're going to be in Atlantic City next week. I think that's what you said, Kelly. You done said shit damn much, high voltage. Hey, high voltage, you say for me to tell 148 that you're going to be in Atlantic City, I think next week or next month or something like that, and y'all going to hang out together. Hello, Mr. High Voltage. Al Capone with the 5 is right back, brother.
10 Roger, right on. I know it's his first time hearing this. I know it's his first time hearing this right now, but you just let him know it's going to be all good, man. We're going to talk CB radio. I'm going to share some of my secrets. I'm going to show 148 some of my secrets over here. High voltage out of New Jersey is going to show 148 some of my secrets on this side. High voltage out of New Jersey. Oh, Al Capone. Al Capone. High voltage got the video gate on you. Come on down.
Hey, bro, that cat nigga still on the mall. Hey, 148, that cat nigga still on the mall, man, no doubt about it. Catch you later, Mr. 148 in Atlantic City, Jersey. Al Capone in the Bayou is gone.
And there goes high voltage right there. I'm putting them all out there now. I had to turn up. High voltage had to turn it up a little bit. High voltage out of New Jersey had to turn it up a little bit out there. Al Capone, Al Capone, Al Capone. High voltage just went to the pump. I'm gone.
Feel good as a mother nigga's thing. Hey, catch y'all later, man. I'm gonna ease y'all back out of here. Bump it down on y'all later, Al Capone. Hey, high voltage, I'll catch you later on tonight, big brother. Hey, high voltage, I'll catch you later on tonight, big brother. Hey, high voltage, Al Capone and Lake Charles got down.
10 Roger, right on. I got the video gate on you. I got the video gate on you right now, and I pumped it up right now. I pumped it up right there. Hey, Al Capone, high voltage at New Jersey got the video gate on you right now. We live right now. Hello, Al Capone. I'm going to upload it to my YouTube page later. I'm going to upload this to my YouTube page later, and you're going to be on it. Hello, Al Capone, high voltage at New Jersey, rocking out.
Hey, down in the Bayou Country, cat nigga. Hey, high voltage, you got that thing down in Lake Charles, cat nigga. Ain't no two-duck plug-in ways about it, and ain't no more 148. If he keyed, I didn't hear him. Hello, Mr. High Voltage, Mobile, Al Capone, Lake Charles got down.
They're going to have to watch out for me. They're going to have to watch out for me because I'm the baddest. I'm the baddest. I'm not the baddest, but I'm one of the baddest in New Jersey out here, running less than most, and one of the most wanted out here in New Jersey. They call me high voltage at New Jersey, and I'm getting her done with these 2 crazy star gun antennas on the roof. Al Capone, I got you on video gate. High voltage out of New Jersey with 4 minutes on the gate is getting down.
Hey, 140, you didn't have to do that. Hello, Mr. 148, Atlantic City, Jersey. Al Capone, bye.
Al Capone, can high voltage muscle him? Can high voltage muscle him? Can high voltage put a little pressure on 148? Can high voltage at New Jersey put a little bit more pressure on 148? High voltage want to know if I can give him pressure. Hello to you, Al Capone. Al Capone, high voltage, gone!
Voltage, you better watch that cat nigga. Hey, high voltage, you better watch that cat nigga, cause that cat nigga shooting pot shots. Hey, high voltage. Hey, 148 in Atlantic City, that cat nigga taking pot shots at you, cat nigga. You better watch your head, that right here.
Yeah, 10 Roger, right on. Well, thank God he's cool. Thank God 148's cool out there. But you know what? It's just a Mother Nature thing. He's got better conditions right now. I'm only putting 500 bird watts out here, man. I'm only putting 500 bird watts out here right now in my mobile. So he got to watch out for me. If I get better conditions, he going to be asked out. Al Capone, high voltage in the kid on down right there. I'm out.
Hello, Mr. High Voltage in the Mobile. Charles is right back.
And there goes high voltage with 1300. I'm on the pump now. I got everything wide open. There's 1300 bird watts right there. There's 1300 bird watts right there, wide open out here. And I'm revving about 3,000 RPMs. There's about 1300 bird watts right there. High voltage out of New Jersey. Oh, Al Capone, high voltage gone.
All up in my California radio in the Bayou Country, California. Hey, high voltage all up in this cabin, big in Uniden base station in my California Bayou Country. Hello, Mr. High Voltage in a Mobile, Alcapone, downtown. Beautiful Lake Charles just got on down.
And a smooth key to let you know you're on the video gate. I got the video gate live on you, just about 6 minutes on the gate. And it's a Al Capone talk show. It's a Al Capone talk show. How does the fame feel? Al Capone, how does the fame feel? High voltage on the side, letting these star guns ride as Al.
I'm boy, high voltage along. Hey, Wicked Willie. It's a third person out here now, high voltage. Hey, Wicked Willie, you should tell my homeboy, you should tell 148 to leave your homeboy, high voltage alone. Hello, Mr. Wicked in the old school Chevy Suburban. Al Capone in the Bayou Country getting on down.
Hey, Al Capone, can he stay out there with high voltage? Can he stay out there with high voltage? I want to know if he can stay out here with high voltage. Hey, Al Capone, high voltage want to know, can he stay out here with high voltage out here right now? Ooh, high voltage out of New Jersey, Al Capone. Al Capone, high voltage is getting down with the dip somehow. Ooh.
Sound crazy, get into my friend. Hello, Wicked Willie. Sound crazy, got down, brother. Al Capone and Lake Charles got all the way down.
Bye, Stone Pony. Bye, Stone Pony. Bye, Al Capone. But high voltage ain't scared. I'm in the weight room. Wicked Willie's a brother too, man. Wicked Willie's a brother too, man. He's a good brother of mine. Hello to you, Stone. Hello to you, Al Capone. Al Capone. High voltage gone.
I might have heard it a little bit on too. Hey, Wicked Willie, you want me to tell 140 you say hello, Miller Jello? Well, he better watch himself. Charles got down.
You better watch out for high voltage. You better watch out for high voltage out there. I'm going to read him up right there. I'm going to slap that ass right there. He going to watch out for high voltage. I'm going to slap that ass. I'm going to slap two asses. High voltage going to slap two asses. High voltage get a throwdown right here. Al Capone, Stone Pony, high voltage got down.
Wicked Willie in the old school Chevy Suburban. Al Capone downtown, beautiful Lake Charles just got down.
And high voltage said, we'll saw you. High voltage at New Jersey said, we'll saw you later. Take care, God bless, Al Capone. High voltage got the video gate on you. Al Capone, high voltage is gone now. Have a blessed day.
We'll just rub it down on you later, big brother. Hey, high voltage, I see you tonight, man. You know what I'm talking about. Same that time, same that time. I see you. Good day, 88.
Good day, good day, good day, Mr. Al Capone out of the BYU. Have a blessed one. I also heard Stone Pony in there bumping down too a little bit, so I'm trying to get to him, but I can't get to him. Take care, Al Capone. Take care. God bless your soul. I'll talk to you later, no doubt about it. Al Capone, high voltage out of New Jersey with these star guns is out. I'm 10-7. High voltage is 10-7. I got to get back on the freeway. High voltage out of New Jersey with the video gate on. Got to shut it off now. High voltage gone. Al Capone, Stone Pony. High voltage out of New Jersey with these things got down. Take care, 747. 747. High voltage at New Jersey say you getting it down out there, man. Hey, 747, you're getting it down right there. I got you on video gate, 747. You don't got to get pumping. You don't got to get them toes pumping. You can stay in here right now. I got a beam lock on you right now. Beam lock, beam lock, beam lock. 747, 747, 747. High voltage at New Jersey, 747. The high voltage got down. my ears now. Bye, Smoking Joe, high voltage. Smoking Joe, high voltage at New Jersey said, tell Wicked Willie I said hello. Tell Wicked Willie high voltage did say hello. High voltage out of New Jersey, Smoking Joe, high voltage out. High voltage gone, Smoking Joe, bye. I guess I can't get in Smoking Joe's radio out there. I guess high voltage at New Jersey can't get in Smoking Joe's radio. Smoking Joe, Texas, high voltage out of New Jersey. High voltage out of New Jersey, Smoking Joe, high voltage gone. Bye, Smoking Joe. High voltage at New Jersey said bye, Smoking Joe. But don't lie to Wicked Willie like that. Tell him I said hello. High voltage out of New Jersey, Smoking Joe. High voltage gone now. Leave him on the key, Smoking Joe. High voltage at New Jersey said leave him on the key. High voltage gone. What's up, Mockingbird? Mockingbird, high voltage, here's you. Mockingbird, high voltage at New Jersey, here's you. Mockingbird, high voltage out now.
Hey, high voltage, how you doing today? Yeah, I just thought I heard him key up a few minutes ago. I just thought I'd wave at him right quick, but I guess he must have been passing through. High voltage, how you doing, Blake?
Hanging in there, man. I got the video gate on you. You're on the video gate right now. You can see yourself later. Hello, Mockingbird, high voltage at New Jersey said I'm doing good. How you doing, Breaker? Mockingbird. Well, you got to finish cutting the grass. That's what you said. Hey, Mockingbird, you should stay out here for a couple more minutes, man. You got great conditions over here, man. High voltage at New Jersey said you taking things out on this side. Mockingbird, high voltage at New Jersey said have a blessed day. I'll get back with you.
Yeah, well, I appreciate it. Yeah, I know about this microphone. That's why I'm gonna put it down and get back on this dock.
Somebody just came up on my radio. Somebody's talking about the Badlands over there. High voltage at New Jersey said, Mockingbird, somebody just came right on my radio and took everybody out. Hello to you, Mockingbird. Hello to that guy talking about the Badlands. High voltage at New Jersey said, you're on the video gate. Come on down here and show yourself. Bye. High voltage, step ladder. Here comes high voltage out there. Tell Willie I said hello, but here comes high voltage out there. Hello, step ladder. High voltage out of New Jersey. High voltage out of New Jersey. Step ladder. High voltage gone.
That's the way I want you to do it. This is just the way I want you to do it. Like coming in. Hey, high voltage, you came in there. You cleared my way out when they kept me in. It seemed like you took something that just cleared my ears out when they kept me in. Ain't no doubt about it. Hey, high voltage, you did just what step ladder wanted somebody to do was clear the airways out when they kept me in. High voltage, New Jersey, step ladder, bottom side, break.
And high voltage, they're gonna do it again. High voltage is gonna do it again, man. I got you in the video gate. Hey, step ladder, high voltage got you in the video gate. I'm looking right at you, Mr. Step Ladder, high voltage, Mobile, New Jersey, step ladder. I got you right there. Break. High voltage, been there and done that, step ladder. Leave him on the key. High voltage got down. Bye, step ladder. Here comes high voltage. Here comes high voltage at New Jersey, hitting it hard right here. Here comes high voltage at New Jersey, gonna hit it hard right here. Step ladder, step ladder, step ladder, high voltage, high voltage, high voltage, Mobile, New Jersey with no back talk. Step ladder, high voltage, gone. Bye, step ladder, high voltage out of New Jersey with no back talk. High voltage, gone. Step ladder, high voltage, out. Don't wait till he gets off the key either. Hey, step ladder, don't you wait till he gets off the key too. Step ladder, high voltage in the clear. Do you hear? Step ladder, and high voltage got you on the video gate, and high voltage at New Jersey got you on the video gate right here. High voltage out of New Jersey got you on the video gate. Step ladder, high voltage out of New Jersey in the clear. I'll get back with you, step ladder. Have a blessed day. High voltage gone. High voltage gone, step ladder. High voltage, high voltage, high voltage, high voltage. Look at high voltage right there. Look at high voltage come right in there. Step ladder, high voltage gone. Bye, step ladder. But high voltage said no red dragon. High voltage at New Jersey said no red dragon out here. Step ladder, high voltage said no red dragon out here. Step ladder, high voltage said no red dragon. High voltage gone. Bye, 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 bye. High voltage at New Jersey said no red dragon out here. High voltage in the hills is out. Bye, step ladder, while you work in the Badlands. High voltage at New Jersey said while you work in the Badlands in Texas. High voltage at New Jersey said have a blessed one. Step ladder, step ladder, step ladder. You got a hot step over here. High voltage at New Jersey, step ladder. I'm gone now. Been there, done that, step ladder. High voltage, been there, done that, step ladder. I'll slap that ass 3 times. Tell that duck plugger to get on out of there. High voltage gonna slap it hard. High voltage gone. Don't wait till no ducks get off the key either, step ladder. Leave them slobber on the microphone. High voltage is gone, step ladder with the video gate on. Step ladder, high voltage. Bye, step ladder. Tell Scratch Man he been scratched out. Tell Scratch Man he been scratched out. Hello, step ladder. Step ladder, worldwide high voltage. High voltage, high voltage. High voltage, high voltage. Step ladder, high voltage. I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye. By step ladder, we lost conditions. By step ladder, we lost conditions out here. High voltage at New Jersey said we lost conditions out here, step ladder. High voltage will get back with you. Bye, bye, bye.
What you lazy to get up in that damn Tahoe in New Jersey? big old gourd. I'm looking for a fight, baby.
Hey, Top Gun, high voltage said, come on down with high voltage, Top Gun. Top Gun, your gun, big gun, your gun, big gun, big gun. Hey, Top Gun, high voltage said, come on down with high voltage, big gun, high voltage out. Hey, Top Gun, look at high voltage at New Jersey bumping it down. Top Gun, your gun, big gun, body Suburban, high voltage, Top Gun, break, high voltage out.
Keep going, come on.
Top Gun, I said high voltage. Top Gun, I said high voltage. We're losing conditions on this side. Top Gun, high voltage out. Top Gun, high voltage looking for a fight. High voltage at New Jersey looking for a fight right there. Hey, Top Gun, look at high voltage out of New Jersey. Top Gun, high voltage. High voltage out of New Jersey. Top Gun, high voltage, been there and done that. I'm out.
High voltage, he said looking for a fight. He like big gun. Red Dragon, high voltage, Top Gun, come on.
Leave him on the key. High voltage said leave that dog on the key. High voltage said leave him on the key out there. Hey, Top Gun. Look at high voltage out of New Jersey right there. Hey, Top Gun, leave Red Dragon on the key. Let him know that high voltage out of New Jersey is in the place to be. Top Gun, high voltage out. Ooh. Bye, Top Gun. Bye, Top Gun. He making back with you. Hey, Top Gun, he ain't going to make it back with you right there because high voltage is right back. High voltage out of New Jersey's right back right there. He gonna make it back. Hell, Top Gun, high voltage. Top Gun, high voltage out of New Jersey. Top Gun, high voltage gone. Bye, Top Gun. Bye, Top Gun. There goes high voltage. High voltage, high voltage, high voltage, high voltage. Top Gun, tell Red Dragon to get on out of there. Top Gun, high voltage in the clear. I'm gone, Top Gun, big gun, high voltage, high voltage.
Hey, high voltage, you say you ready to fight. Hey, high voltage, you ready to fight. Whoa, wow, high voltage, Top Gun, so let's go home, baby.
Look at that right there. 500 bird watts right there, ready to fight. I run less power now. I'm in low gear right now. Hey, Top Gun, high voltage is in low gear right now. I want to take him out with 500 bird. I want to take him out with 500 bird watts out there. Top Gun, your gun, big gun, body Suburban. Top Gun, Top Gun, Top Gun. Look at high voltage out of New Jersey. Gonna take him right out right there. High voltage in the clear. Top Gun, I'm out. Right back, Top Gun. I just want to let you know you're on the video gate too. Hey, Top Gun, I want to let you know that you are on the video gate right now, and I'm Samsunging you right now. I'm going to upload you to YouTube later, and you're going to be on Pal Talk, and you're going to be on YouTube, and you're going to be hearing high voltage out there, and you're going to be hearing yourself live, no doubt about it. Hey, Top Gun, high voltage got the water gate and the video gate on you, so you're going to see what kind of DBs you put on my receiver. Top Gun, I'll see you. High voltage on 500 bird watts is out.
I will try to get him out your radio. A1 here. I won't try to get my homeboy Siblet out of your radio. A1 here. The old dude in the hand got down. I'm going. Big old baby. High voltage. I'm big dude. I'm doing what I want to do. High voltage, Top Gun, right there. Go.
And you do what you want to do. And you do what you want to do, Top Gun. Top Gun, you do what you want to do. That's what you said. That's what you said. You do what you want to do, Top Gun. Top Gun, high voltage out of New Jersey. Come on down on the video gate. Do that one more time. High voltage is video gating you, Top Gun. Big gun, Top Gun, big gun. High voltage said, come on down.
Hey, high voltage. Boy, look here. You got a fight going on. I don't know who it is, man. But Lord, they trying you. Hey, high voltage. You got a fight going on. I got my
tell you what, I just bumped it down a little bit more right there. I turned the audio wide open. And I'm going to start getting real loud in this microphone now, Top Gun. High voltage going to give you some real bad audio right there, right now. Hello, Top Gun, high voltage out of New Jersey. I got my star guns singing to me now, right now. I got these dual hot star guns singing to me right now, and they singing the Top Gun show, Big Gun, Top Gun. They're singing to you. High voltage said they're singing to you. High voltage gone, Top Gun. Woo!
Voltage, Top Gun, say slow your roll. High voltage, you got that voltage up. Top Gun, Big Gun, high voltage, come on.
Right back, Top Gun. Right back, Top Gun. We get it down right there. We get it down one more time. Hey, Top Gun. Woo! We get it down right there. Top Gun, Big Gun, Top Gun, Big Gun. Body Suburban. High voltage out of New Jersey. Got the video gate on you, Top Gun. I'm gone.
You came out the fight today, brother. Hey, how are you? I don't know who that is running your home, man. When you got up control, I fall right back down. Hey, how are you? Move on down and mess up the water gate. Hey, how are you? Top Gun, bud. Big old guns. Keep on doing what you doing, boy. Look at this low beer, high voltage. High voltage. No background singers. No background quiet. Nothing in the background. You put it down like you're supposed to do, Black Dude. This boy doing.
And there goes high voltage right there. Look at your meter right now, Top Gun. High voltage at, look at your meter right now, Top Gun. High voltage at New Jersey with these star guns singing to you, goddamn. I'll do it again. I want to do it again for you. Hey, Top Gun, Big Gun. You are loud as balls over here in my radio. I just want to let you know you loud as balls over here in my radio, and you got a Top Gun talk show going on right now. Hey, Top Gun, Big Gun. High voltage said, do it again. Come on, Dan.
Well, high voltage, I'm the only mobile in the big horn who come out here on the Super Bowl and do what I want to do. Hey, high voltage, I'm going to repeat this. I'm the only mobile in the big horn that come out here on the Super Bowl and do whatever I want to whoever I want, and ain't a damn thing they can do about it. High voltage, come.
You're the only one right now in the Super Bowl in Texas. You said you're the only mobile in Texas right now in the Super Bowl, and you can do what you want to do. You don't give a damn. It's all on your side. They got to bow down to you, Top Gun. High voltage out of New Jersey. Come on down. Right back, Top Gun. I got Black Judge plugging my ears. I got Black Judge on the Watergate plugging my ears, talking to One Hit or somebody out there. But Black Judge better get on out of there, because I'm going to plug his damn eardrums out here. Hello, Top Gun. Top Gun, Big Gun. The only baddest mobile in Texas right now in the bowl. High voltage out of New Jersey. Top Gun, I'll see you. High voltage out.
God, high voltage. You said Black Jack plug your ears. He must be your loca. And Black Jack, that's the only son gonna plug your ears as a loca, because I got the rest of these balls in the background. That's why they ask us.
Turn Roger right on. I'm going to leave him on the key. Hey, Top Gun, I'm going to leave that duck on the key out there because he's only talking to one person out there, man. I don't know what the deal is out there. I mean, we bumping it down. We bumping it down ourselves out here, but we got a lockdown. Hey, Top Gun, we have a lockdown right now. Top Gun, high voltage out of New Jersey said, we got a damn lockdown going on. Top Gun, Big Gun, Top Gun, Big Gun, Body Suburban, Bighorn, Texas. High voltage said, come on down, do it again.
And so I built this stuff for the far. Red wagon, I can run with the best of them. Red wagon, King Kong, ain't got nothing on me. Top Gun, get down.
Bye, Top Gun. Bye, Top Gun. Here comes high voltage out of New Jersey. Get your mind off the red wagon. Here comes high voltage out of New Jersey again. Tell rag wagon to step. High voltage said, no, 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 he don't. That's a no-no. High voltage gone. Top Gun, I'm out.
Yeah, it's
Top Gun, leave him on the key. Top Gun, high voltage said leave him. I'm gone, Top Gun. Bye, Top Gun. High voltage said tell Red Wagon. High voltage said hello too. Tell Red Wagon and High voltage said hello too. I'm gonna put on 500 bird watts and take him out. I'm gonna stick it on 500 bird watts right now and take him out with these 2 star guns. They're gonna be singing in Texas right now. Top Gun, tell Red Wagon and High voltage just put 500 bird on them. I'm gone. Old school high voltage. Old school high voltage. Old school, here comes high voltage at New Jersey. Hello, old school. Old school, your high voltage Mobile, New Jersey. Old school, high voltage gone. He ain't gonna make it back with you, double sixes. High voltage at New Jersey said Funky ain't gonna make it back with you. High voltage at New Jersey said bump on this. I'm gone, double sixes. High voltage, been there, done that. Bye old school, bye small. Bye old school, bye small. Bye double sixes. High voltage at New Jersey with the video gate on. Get on down. Bye, Top Gun. Bye, Top Gun and High Voltage at New Jersey. Gonna get down with you too. Put on you later, Top Gun, High Voltage. Top Gun, High Voltage at New Jersey. We'll saw you later. Top Gun, High Voltage.